Selection criteria optimization for Ankol beef cattle, productivity enhancement strategies in Kwemba, Tanzania. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Beef is among the animal proteins most consumed by the rapidly growing population of urban dwellers in sub-Saharan Africa. Beef productivity improvement is crucial because ruminant production currently faces challenges of depleting production resources and growing concerns about raising methane emissions, but at the same time required to feed the growing human population. Ankol cattle, which belong to the Sangha group, have been among the native breeds considered for crossbreeding. Economic and animal performance data were collected from the Ankol herd of Tanzania Livestock Research Institute, Taliri, Lake Zone, and progressive farmers were used to analyze economic values of beef traits. Sequential bioeconomic modeling methodology involving the formulation of a profit function was used to estimate economic values of traits influencing investment and revenues of beef production. Primary data were collected on feeding, veterinary drugs, and labor costs were estimated based on the previous production cycle from October 2023 to September 2024. Data analysis was done using the sequential bioeconomic modeling procedure. The procedure went through specification of the production and marketing system, identification of sources of income and costs, determination of biological traits linked to the profitability of beef production, and derivation of economic values of the traits. The fecundity trait studied was calving interval, which generated an economic value of 833.15. Developmental traits analyzed were age at maturity and age at first calving, which generated economic values of 83.86 and 19, respectively. Weaning weight generated a very high positive economic value of 1496.18, contrary to other studied growth traits, body weight and post-weaning daily gain, which generated economic values of -6.09 and -53.69, respectively. Longevity displayed a negative economic value of the lowest magnitude, -4.03. Therefore, under the prevailing conditions, selection for growth traits, which is normally prioritized in breeding for beef, showed low potential for impacting profitability improvement. Lowering the herd mean for calving interval is among the key productivity enhancement strategies for the farm. It was concluded that, in order to realize the benefits of selection, there is a need to parallel the genetic improvement initiative with strategies for lowering production costs, particularly feed costs. To realize the potential of improving cattle genetics in the Tanzania Lake Zone, there is a need to parallel genetic improvement initiatives with initiatives targeting the development of alternative feeding systems for cattle. Introduction. In sub-Saharan Africa, the growing demand for beef is driven by population growth, rising income, and urbanization. In Tanzania, beef is a significant part of the livestock industry, but production faces challenges due to low genetic potential of the cattle, especially the native Tanganyika Shorthorn Zebu, TSZ. While efforts have been made to improve productivity through breeding and disease control, these have been hindered by factors like poor nutrition, disease, and limited resources. To address this, there is a need to breed cattle that can produce more efficiently. Crossbreeding with native breeds, such as Ankol cattle, is being explored as a solution, as it doesn't cause adaptation issues like crossbreeding with exotic breeds. A breeding program in Tanzania has shown positive results, with improved cattle performance in crossbred herds. However, the current selection methods in the program treat all traits as equally important, which may not be the most effective approach. By identifying and prioritizing the traits that offer the most economic benefit, the breeding program could improve cattle productivity more efficiently and make the beef sector more sustainable in the long term. Conclusion. The analysis of beef traits of economic importance of the Ankole herd at Talari Mabuki farm showed lowering of the herd mean CI to be the most promising productivity improvement strategy. With the prevailing conditions, especially regarding feed cost, growth traits showed low potential for selection. Therefore, in order to realize the potential of improving cattle genetics in the Tanzania Lake Zone, there is a need to parallel genetic improvement initiatives with initiatives targeting the development of alternative feeding systems for cattle. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.